Former District Magistrate West, who has already relinquished his post in the wake of institution of an official inquiry into his gross acts of omission and commission in the Manika Court Marriage Hall on 26th April night, seems to be in for much deeper trouble, with the division bench of the Tripura High Court taking a strong view of his indiscretions and misbehavior with all and sundry on the 26th of April night. The division bench of the High Court, comprising of Chief Justice Akhil Qureshi and Justice S.J. Chatterjee, sternly asked the state government why Sailesh Kumar Yadav was still at Agartala and why he had not yet been sent out of West Tripura, and directed the state government to file a detailed affidavit on this issue, suspending the inquiry still on. The issue came up before the division bench in the form of a PIL filed by Advocate Bhaskar Dev Burma and a separate writ petition filed by Advocate Shamik Dev on behalf of priest Sarvadananda Jha, who had been insulted and physically assaulted by District Magistrate Sailesh Kumar Yadav on the 26th of April night. Arguing the case in a virtual hearing, Advocates Rumela Guha and Shamik Dev said that what the then District Magistrate West had done on 26th of April night was unprecedented in the history of Tripura. They described in detail how even after giving permission for the marriage ceremony within the restrictions of COVID protocol, the DM had stormed the Manika Court marriage house and ill-treated one and all, including priests, bridegroom and bride and all the guests present there. The High Court also queried the Advocate General as to why no action had been taken against Sailesh Yadav even after a week.
গত 26 এপ্রিল আমরা একটা ভিডিও দেখতে পাই সামাজিক মাধ্যমে যে আমাদের পশ্চিম জেলার যে জেলা শাসক উনি একটি বিয়ে বাড়িতে গেছেন, দুটো বিয়ে বাড়িতে গেছেন এবং গিয়ে একদম বর্বরতার নিদর্শন রেখেছেন। যে যারা বিয়ে করছিল ওদেরকে বিয়ের পিড়ি থেকে তুলে দেওয়া, একদম পুরোহিতকে চোর মারা, তারপর যারা ভাত খেতে ছিল ওই যে ভাত খেতে ছিল ওদেরকে মেরে ওদেরকে বকে থেকে সরিয়ে দেওয়া, এই বিভিন্ন পদ্ধতি এবং পুলিশের গায়ে হাত তোলা, এই বিভিন্ন পদ্ধতি আমরা অবলম্বন করে উনি দেখলাম যে বিয়ে বাড়ি থেকে সবাইকে তাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে। তা আমরা দেখে আমরা সবাই স্তম্ভিত হয়ে গেছে যে জেলা শাসক এগুলি কী করছেন। কিন্তু পরের দিন আবার ওনারই ভিডিওতে দেখলাম উনি বলছেন যে যা করেছেন ঠিকই করেছেন, তখন আমাদের রাগটা আরও বেশি হয়েছে।
Although Advocate General Siddharth Shankar Dey tried to justify the government's action, saying Yadav had relinquished his post and claiming that the video footage submitted in the court was not correct, the Chief Justice and other judge then directed the government side as well as the complainants to submit the entire video footage of the incident on 26th April night to the court. They also asked the Advocate General to suspend the bureaucratic inquiry ordered by the state government immediately and submit the report recorded so far to the bench on Wednesday next. Besides other details like the assault on Saroj Bhattacharjee, the size of gathering were also ordered to be submitted to the court by the government and the complainant parties. The case filed by Advocate Shamik Dev on behalf of priest Sarvadananda Jha also sought an action like suspension from service for Sailesh Kumar Yadav and an exemplary form of punishment. The case will come up next for hearing on Wednesday next, when all evidences and reports will be submitted by the Advocate General on behalf of the state government as well as by advocates of the complainants in the form of formal affidavits. The advocates who argued the case on behalf of the complainants refused to comment on the sub judice matter, but exuded confidence that justice would be done to their clients in the court. Bureau Report, Hallabol.